Hi guys, let's see me, my sister and my father fixing the tire. There is a leakage in the tire, and in order to open it we can use 3 screwdrivers. I will show you how to open the tire using 3 screwdrivers. Use the screwdriver as a lever to open the tire. We have to be careful so we will not damage the rubber and also the rim. After the tire is loose, we can use our hand to open the tire. We have to take out the tube from the tire, from the rims. We will fill it in with the pump to fill it with air. We will be ready to put the leakage test with a bucket of water to see where is the leakage. See where is the leakage. We use a bucket of water to see where is the bubble. After
bubble,
you find the bubble,
telling where is the bubble.
Use a tire. Tell us also if there is a bubble.
Yes.
Yeah, subscribe so I can
This one. See.
Wow,
Here.
that's the one. Feel like it.
inside in here.
We mark the leakage
tapi airnya going
and
out.
prepare for the tire kit. This is the tire kit. There is a glue, a sticker, and a rubber, and also a metal sheet. Abi kasih itu biar nanti bisa tahu yang mana yang. You see that?
Di-clean dulu.
You see that? Di-clean dulu. Why?
Because we need to
To
see.
put this.
Biar ininya lengket. This sharpness.
Ingat?
Place.
Ingat.
See?
I'm going to open the sticker, Daddy, okay? Daddy, I'm going to open the sticker.
Okay,
Don't
nanti.
open. It will be sticky. After this clean,
Kita
we
minggir
put
dulu dong.
glue.
Boleh nggak minggir? Open it. Use the metal to clean the area.
Okay, I'm gonna try to put
We can use anything to put.
Okay.
Danger.
It's danger. Danger for kid. Kid should be not involved. Okay?
Make sure the area is clean and use the super glue.
Really.
Wait for a few minutes until the glue is almost dry. Use the sticker to close the leakage.
Done. Now,
It is done.
now we're going to pull off the stuff. Now we're going to
Okay,
pull
I'm gonna
off.
put it back, okay? We need to pause you. Wait. Okay.
Separate.
Use a small hammer to to make it strongly sticky.
Now can I open it? Wait, can I open the other one?
Wait for 10 minutes for it to dry.
Let it dry.
We will let it dry. Okay.
Can I
Want to feel it?
Can I feel it?
Kita sekarang lagi di pompa.
Sekarang dipompa kami, dipompa.
Bannya lagi mau dipompa. Atau sudah
Oh, she tell us it had another one.
it again to see if there is any more
Press me,
leakage
Puncture.
in the sticker. Let's see. Let's see. We will see if there is another leak. Oh. If there is no more leakage, put it back inside the rim.
This. One. I'm going to touch under it. Under. I'm going to touch the under.
Okay. Press it with the hand to push it in the rim. So use the screwdriver to put it back in the rim. Pump it until it is enough pressure. Okay guys, the bicycle is ready.
Thank you, Abby, for fixing my tire. There's no flat tire now.
Okay.